Hi, I'm Irene Feith. I'm the Outbound Product Manager for CWM, and I'll be walking through the setup steps for Now Assist for collaborative work management. The first step is to make sure that you have the plugins for Now Assist for CWM as well as collaborative work management both installed and up to date. Next, we're going to open up the Now Assist admin panel. And you'll want to go to the Now Assist experience section and make sure that the Now Assist panel is turned on. Once that's turned on, click the CI admin console link and then make sure that the Now Assist panel is turned on. And you can see now the status says that it's on. Going back to the Now Assist admin panel, we can go to the context menu, and you want to double check that the doc summarization in CWM feature is on. Next, click on the Now Assist skills from the top and navigate to CWM. I'm going to switch this to list mode quickly, and then go into each skill, edit them, and make sure that the display is turned on. And I'll repeat that for doc summarization. Click edit. Save this. And then I'll toggle this display on. The next step is to make sure that the CWM AI role is assigned to your users, and that CWM AI user role also contains the CWM user role, so you don't have to assign both of them to your users. You just have to assign this top level one, and the basic CWM role will inherit. I'll click here to edit, and then I'll go over to the user tab, and I'll add the users that I want to assign the role to. Now to show you how this works, I will open up a space in CWM, and I have some meeting notes here. So the first skill is the Summarize skill. We can access it from the top level menu or inline. I summarize the text, and then I will insert that summary that was generated within the doc. And then the next step, I open up the Now Assist panel, and you see I have an option to create tasks in CWM. That will automatically generate tasks based on this document. And then I have the option to refine, modify, or add them to a board. The tasks look good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and add those to a board. I'll then be prompted to select the space that the board is in, and I'll select that team workspace. If there are multiple boards, I'll be asked to select which board to add it to, but if there's just one, it'll just add it to those boards automatically. And you can see here, all 14 of those tasks were added to this task board.